Creative no-paint DIY bedroom wall ideas. Here's a look from Critical Cactus, guaranteed to appeal to just about any teenager, but if you love the edgy urban style, you can use it in the master bedroom as well. Get out the spray paint and have at it, but unless you're an experienced graffiti artist, practice your technique on cardboard before aiming the can towards your walls. Write your name, a phrase or a song lyric, use every color of the rainbow or stick with black, it's entirely up to you. If you have access to old pallets or distressed wood from a barn, fence, or other wooden structure, don't toss it into the fireplace. Instead, use the wood to create a fabulous full-wall headboard like this one from Lusham. For the ultimate in cozy rustic style, keep the paneling going right across the ceiling. If you just want to add some primitive vibes to an otherwise contemporary room, stop a few feet above the height of your mattress. Have you been wondering what to do with a collection of paint strips or chips from the Home Improvement Center? Or are you just wanting to add a wild and unusual shot of color and pattern to your bedroom walls? Head to your local Lowe's or Home Depot, and ask the paint department to save all of the old paint strips that would otherwise be tossed when manufacturers change their offerings. Then, use small dots of poster putty to adhere the strips to your walls. You can create an ombre effect, make a rainbow, or stick with just one color family like this room from Design Sponge. This is another idea that's great for renters. Who said gorgeous hammered tin tiles are only for bathroom walls or kitchen backsplashes? Take a look at the bedroom shown here from Contour Interior Design. You'll see that the self-adhesive tiles add just as much wow factor to the bedroom. Mix and match designs, or do the entire wall with one pattern, whichever you like best. This is a great weekend project, but be sure to measure carefully before you start, and remember, tin is sharp. Here's another way renters can dress up their bedroom walls without drawing the landlord's wrath. Use colorful post-it notes to create stripes, draw a design, or reimagine a sunset. If you are planning something complicated, work out the details on paper before starting on the wall, that way, you won't have to waste time starting over if you make a mistake. Add a small dot of poster putty to the notes if they don't seem to cling well enough on their own. Although the walls shown here are adorned with wallpaper from Kelly Wearstler, you could easily achieve the same effect with marking pens. Freestyle squiggles, lines, and curves seem to dance across the walls, giving the room a dramatic, exciting vibe without being overwhelming. Stick with black or neutral tones, or get a little bit crazy with colored pens. If you want a pretty, easy and temporary way to dress up a girl's room, or you love flowers yourself, head to the craft store or dollar shop and load up on realistic faux flowers. Use removable mounting squares to adhere the flowers to the wall. You can show off the entire bloom, like the room here from Diggs Digs, or pull the blossom off the stem and just use the petals. Spread the flowers out across the wall, or bundle them into a tight bouquet above the headboard. It's your garden, so it's your rules. There's no need for expensive wallpaper when you can create a similar geometric effect with tape. Paper washi tape is best. It comes in a mind-boggling range of colors and patterns, it's easy to work with and it removes easily from the wall without damage, but you could also use decorative duct tape or electrical tape. Create a lattice design like the one shown here from the Nestor, or use tape to outline a cityscape, make stripes, draw stars or triangles, or just get crazy. What a cute, whimsical and original idea for a guest bedroom or child's room. Use stencils or your own freehand abilities if you're artistic to first paint an airy tree across the bedroom walls, and then use mounting squares to scatter a collection of painted birdhouses throughout the branches. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.